Welcome back, children. Now we are moving to subtraction with borrowing. Till now we were doing questions with subtraction without borrowing. Now we are doing subtraction with borrowing. Okay. So that is page number 41, children. Please take the page. Subtraction with borrowing. In that first question, 378 minus 99. Okay. Now, first one, 8 minus 9. Can you subtract? Can you subtract, children? No, 8 is smaller than 9. So, what do you have to do? You will have to borrow from the previous one. I borrowed from 7. Okay. So, 7 will become as 6. I took 1 from that. And this 8 will become as 18. The one what I took, I have taken 10. From the tens place, I have taken 1 10 from there. That 10 I added to this 8. What am I getting? I am getting 18. From the tens place I took 1 10. Okay. And then from that 10 I am adding to the 8 in the ones place. So I get 10 plus 8, 18. That is how it is becoming 18. Okay, children. Now, so it's 18 now. What is 18 minus 9? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. How much you get? You get 9 there. So the answer is 9. Now coming to the tens place. It is 6 minus 9. Is it possible? It is not possible. So what we will do? We will borrow from the hundreds place. Hundreds place you had 3. That becomes 2. And what I borrowed, I will give it to this place. So it became 16 now. I borrowed 100 from there and I given it over here. So it became 16. Okay. So what is 16 minus 9? Again after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is the answer you are getting? 7. And then when you do this, you get 2. Understood? This is how you borrow. Step by step you will borrow. If you are not able to minus in the ones place, you will borrow from the tens place. And then give it, you will finish off ones place. Okay. Then you will take tens place. Again if you cannot subtract, you will borrow from the hundreds place. And then only you will do the calculation. Understood, children? I am not going to do all the questions. In between I will do few questions. Rest you have to complete it. Okay, children? There are questions in page number 41 and 42. So you have to complete. Now, I'll take a 4-digit number. Can you see? In the second line, the last question I am doing now. 7, 9, 1, 1 minus 2, 3, 6, 5. 7, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. So, okay. Now, 1 minus 5. Is it possible? It's not possible, isn't it, children? So, what you will do? Borrow from this one. This becomes 0 and this becomes 11. Yes? Okay. So, this becomes 11. Understood, children? So, what is 11 minus 5? Okay. What is 11 minus 5? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much are you getting? You are getting 6. So, you will write it as 6. Okay. Now, come to the tens place. 0 minus 6. Is it possible? It's not possible. So, you are going to borrow from the hundreds place. Hundreds place you have 9. You borrow. It becomes 8. And which I borrowed, I will give it to this number. So, it becomes 10. 0 became 10 now. Yes. So, now what is 10 minus 6? Take 10. Take away 6. How much you get? You get 4. So, answer becomes 4 here. Okay. Now, coming to the hundreds place. 8 minus 3. Is it possible? Yes. 8 is bigger than 3. What is 8 minus 3, children? From 8, take away 3. You get balance 5. Again, 7 minus 2. From 7, take away 2. What do you get? 5. Or you can count after 2 till 7. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any method you want you can use. Okay children? So what is the answer? 5, 5, 4, 6. Understood? Okay. Now I'll do a question. That last line, I'm doing the middle question. 7, 5, 3, 0, 6, 6, 6, 0. Okay. 0 minus 0. What is it? 0 itself. 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. Now, 3 minus 6. Possible? Not possible. So, I am going to borrow from 5. This becomes 4 and this becomes 13. I can cut this 3 and write 13 now, or you just put 1 on top of 3. Okay children? So, you get 13. Now, what is 13 minus 6? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much I got? I got 7. So, I'll write 7. Next is 4 minus 6. Is it possible? No, 4 is smaller than 6. So, I am going to borrow from 7. This will become as 6. When you borrow from 7, it will become 6 and then you get 14 here. Now, what is 14 minus 6? What is 14 minus 6? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much did you get? 8. Very good. And then 6 minus 6, you know it is 0. So, it's not necessary you have to put the 0. If you don't put, you put, doesn't matter. Okay children? So, the answer becomes 870. Okay? Now, I'll take a question from the next page. Okay, I'll take this one. First line, the last question. 5, 3, 7, 3 minus 299. Okay, again 3 minus 9. Is it possible? It's not possible. So, you borrow from 7, this becomes 6, this becomes 13. Write on top of 3 1, or you can just cut 3 and write 13. Now, what is 13 minus 9? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much you get? You get 4. Next, 6 minus 9. Possible? Not possible. So, you borrow, this becomes 2 and here it becomes 16. How much is 16 minus 9? Yes children, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much you got? You got 7. Okay. Then 2 minus 2? Yes, we know it is 0. Here with 5 there is nothing to minus, so you can write 5 as it is. Understood children? Okay. Now, third line, first question. 7, 0, 8, 3 minus 4, 1, 9, 7. Okay. 3 minus 7. Possible? Is 3 minus 7 possible children? No, it is not possible. So, borrow, this becomes 7 and here it becomes 13. Now, 13 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much you got? 6. Again, 7 minus 9. Is it possible? It is not possible, isn't it? So, I have to borrow from the previous number. But the previous number is 0. Can I borrow from 0? I can't borrow from 0. So, what will I do? I will go to the next number now. What is the next number? Next number is 7. I borrow from 7 and this becomes 6 and I will give 1 to this number. So, what happened? This number has become 10 now, isn't it? Now, I can borrow from 10. Yes or no? Yes. Now, I will borrow from 10. This becomes 9 and here it becomes 17. Understood children? So if you are not able to borrow from 0, you will go to the next number, borrow, make it 10. Again you can borrow from 10, it becomes 9 and here it becomes 17. So what is 17 minus 9 now? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much did I get? 8. So the answer is 8. Then I have here 9 minus 1. What is 9 minus 1? Predecessor, the number before. 8. 6 minus 4. From 6, take away 4. Sorry. From 6, take away 4. How much I get? I get 2. So I got the answer 2, 8, 8, 6. Okay. Okay, I'll show one more question. The last one, 5, 8, 9, 3 minus 3, 0, 7, 6. Okay, 3 minus 6, possible? No. Borrow from 9, this becomes 8, this becomes 13. You're getting all the questions with 13, isn't it? Okay, doesn't matter. 13 minus 6, what is 13 minus 6? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You get 7. So this becomes 7. 8 minus 7, you get 1. 8 minus 0, 8 itself. When you minus with 0, you get 8 itself. 5 minus 3, you get 2. Okay. So, I've done few questions for you. Rest of the questions, you have to try it on your own. Okay. And try more questions. Okay, children. Thank you.